Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing a delicious, yummy soursop and Irish mash juice. Want to see how I prep this one? Stick around now. Let's go straight to the kitchen. Moving along, here's my soursop. I'm going to rinse this well, then remove the skin, then we remove the seeds. This can be done in a blender and also by hand. I'm doing mine in the blender, so I'll try to remove all the seeds I can. So I'll come back then.
All I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Now it's time to sweeten our soursop. Here I'm using vanilla. I'll use cinnamon, nutmeg, my Irish mash Supligen, Dark Stout, condensed milk, and you can add a little rum if you please.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
At this time, I want to take the time out to thank all my supporters for the continuous love and support. Thank you for taking the time out for watching my videos whenever I post. My channel members, appreciate you guys a lot. And if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please Tap the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on so you won't miss another video. And I'm pouring my juice over ice. You can put this in the fridge to cool, or you can pour over ice cube. And it was very creamy, tasty, and delicious, guys. This is a perfect combo, and I hope you guys will try it.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Here I'm sprinkling some additional nutmeg on the top, and it's ready to be enjoyed. So here we have come to the end of the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and please put your notification bell on. It's very important. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.
Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really